Hey everybody, so I decided I wanted to get a knife holder for my kitchen. I was going to get one of those metal strips that go across your wall, but I decided instead I was going to try out one of these blocks. So this is a double-sided wood block that's magnetic, and that's pretty cool. It came with a screwdriver. I wasn't expecting that. I do like that. I don't have to go hunt for my screwdriver. Pretty simple setup. Looks like just a couple screws. This is made from acacia wood. It feels pretty solid, pretty heavy. Now, what I like about this compared to like a normal knife block on your counter is knife blocks are very unsanitary. A lot of people don't realize that, but you know, when you're sticking knives in and out of those holes, things get in them. You can't really clean them very easily, so they do get pretty nasty and unsanitary. So something like this, where you can easily wipe the outside, works pretty well. Make sure you discard those silica gel things if you got kids or animals. Don't want them eating that. So it's just two pieces along with three screws, and it looks like they gave one spare screw. So far, I like the build quality of it. It's nice and it feels thick. It feels solid. Definitely magnetic. Let's go ahead and put it together. It shouldn't take very long. Holes are pre-drilled, make it easier. It's got little gripper things on the bottom, keep it from sliding around. Make it easier. It's always easier to just throw the screws in first and then line them up. The one hole doesn't seem like it fits quite as easily in as the other two, but just a little bit of pressure and it popped in. To just get them lined up, start out with one of them. Then the rest of them will line up pretty easily. You'll be able to feel the screw go into the little hole. Super simple assembly. Make it nice and tight, but don't go way too tight because you don't want to split the wood or strip the screws. There we go. Super easy assembly. Let's go ahead and throw some knife stuff on there. I love the snap. Holds one of my larger knives just fine. My favorite Santoku. My cheap Santoku. That one doesn't, well, it's kind of weird, I guess, maybe because the handle is a little heavier. Sushi knife. Now we got the big guy. We got the cleaver here. Oh man, I love this snap. It might be weird, but I like the snap of a metal hitting a magnet. It's definitely a heck of a lot heavier once you put the knives on here. Boy, that's strong. Wow. This is definitely a lot stronger, a lot better than I expected. So I mean, overall, I think this is a great deal, great block. Now I just need to get some new knives for it. I'll put the link down below where you can check it out on Amazon. Thank you for stopping by.